Welcome to this new update, and on this new update I'm going to be sharing with you a very interesting opportunity which is setting up in the market. And before that, I want to say congratulations to everyone on this channel. If you have learned something, you have made some money, you have leveled up in a way or the other, congratulations to you all, and keep liking our videos, keep commenting, and keep sharing whatever we put out on this channel. So this new week, NZDUSD has some very good potentials in the market, and I'm going to be breaking out these technicals, and we are going to look at how to take advantage of these trade opportunities that is setting up in the market. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. And before that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you subscribe right now. And also, if you are yet to join the Telegram channel, make sure you join us on Telegram as well to not miss out on any update. So let's go to the MT4 and see how the market is setting up for the week. So this is the NZDUSD chart. This looks very clean, and this is my high time frame, which is the daily. And as you already know, I always begin from the high time frame, and then we break it down to the small time frame to get our engagement zone. So the high time frame here, what do we see here? We see a very good bearish trend on the daily time frame. This has been a bearish move. You can see how price has turned out bearish for quite some time. This is basically what price has been doing for quite some time, and you would notice that the daily levels are still being respected. The daily levels are still being respected. We have the daily low and we have this daily high right here. So the daily low at that point is still being respected, which means we have some potentials at that very spot. So from the potentials at this very spot, we can break it down to the small time frame to see how to engage this trade. So I'm going to look at this on the H4 time frame, the 4-hour time frame, and let's see what we have on the 4-hour time frame. So this is the H4 here. So what do we see here on the H4 time frame? So this has been a bearish trend. There was a bearish trend for quite some time, and then price became a little not so clean. Price became a little not so clean, and I'm going to be showing you something really interesting that price is doing. So let me quickly So I will quickly go on the daily time frame and drop a zone right at that very low. So the daily low I'm looking at is right here. So I'll just simply drop a zone right there. I have this very good looking zone, which is our point of interest. You may as well place a horizontal line right at this very point. So we have that level. Let me quickly change the color of this to make it a little bold, and then we go on from there. So let's make this black, and then let's make it a little bold. Okay, so this is the level we are simply looking at on the daily time frame, this very low here. So on the H4, what do we have on the H4? We have this. So when you look at what price is doing on the H4, what we are simply looking at in this case is a possible correction, right? Because in this case we have this. Because in this case we have something like this which is going on. So we are going to look at how to get involved in this very mode. This level here becomes our entry level. So on the H4 time frame, price did something like this. This signifies a bearish trend, right? We have this which signifies a bearish trend. So we are looking at a possible correction based on this bearish trend. And keep in mind, this very low lines perfectly with a daily key level. This zone here, this yellow zone, is a daily key level. So the low from the H4 trend here lines perfectly, which is a very good confirmation in this case. So we are looking at a possible correction in this case because of what price has done. Price has created a new low, which means we may expect some correction in this case. And there is a lot of potentials for profits in this market. We have multiple level confirmation, and then we have a very good risk to reward as well. So our first TP in this case is right here. This is a very good TP level. Likewise, we have the second TP right here. However, this here is a very good level as well. So when price hits this first level, you have no reason to have any risk in this market. So this very level here, it should be risk-free in this trade, and this is the ultimate level right here, the first TP right here and the second TP here. So these are good places you may have your TPs in this case. Like I told you, this has a very good potential for a long-term short. However, we are looking at a possible short-term long in this case, short-term long in this case, because of what price has done on this very move. We have this new low which has been created, and based on this new low, there is potentials for corrections. So we are looking forward to getting that correction in this market. So that is really what we are looking forward to getting on NZDUSD. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates, and be sure to follow us on Telegram for more updates as well. So that'll be all on this, and I will see you again on the next session. Peace.